Everyone wants a million views. Almost nobody gets one. Here's the exact step-by-step most people skip. Forget your intro. Forget your logo. The first 3 seconds decide if anyone stays. Open with the payoff, a bold claim, or a question they can't ignore. If you don't hook them instantly, nothing else in this video matters. Stop reinventing yourself every video. Pick one format that works, one style, one energy, one type of story, and repeat it until the algorithm knows exactly who to show it to. Consistency of format builds an audience faster than variety ever will. Your title and thumbnail are half the battle. Be specific. Be bold. Leave one thing unanswered so curiosity pulls them in. A vague title loses to a clear promise every single time. Cut every pause. Cut every Cut anything that isn't moving the story forward. A rough video that holds attention beats a polished video people click away from. Post consistently at the same times, and pay attention to what actually keeps people watching. The algorithm rewards patterns. Give it one. A million views isn't luck. It's a system. Hook, format, click, edit, repeat. Do this enough times, and one video breaks through for you. Follow for more, and let's get you there.